Now that we know a little more about relays, let's check out how to wire them. On first look at a DP-DT 120 volt AC relay, we see that there are some voltage and current ratings. Keep these in mind when wiring them into a circuit, as impeding these limits can damage the relay. In order to actually wire anything to the relay, we need a terminal block to safely house the relay. Mount the relay into the terminal block in the correct orientation. Once mounted, we can easily see some terminals. The terminals X1 and X2 are used to power the coil. The 6 terminals on the back refer to the 2 poles and 2 throws on this relay. The left 3 terminals, 21, 22, and 24 of the relay, contain a common, normally closed, and normally open terminals. The common terminal is used to pass one circuit's power through either the normally open or normally closed terminals depending on how you wire it. The right terminals, 11, 12, and 14, contain the exact same terminals but on a different circuit. In summary, this relay can control 2 independent circuits through the use of the coil.